In 1993, Daniel Reed Cook received his PhD in theoretical plasma physics from the University of California, Berkeley. In 1994, Dr. Cook completed postdoctoral research in cognitive neuroscience from the University of California, San Diego. He developed complex computer algorithms for the detailed analysis of brainwaves. His work involved event resolution imaging technology, called ERI, that detected minute patterns in brainwaves not previously discernible.
We're at UC Berkeley, where I received my PhD in physics, and specifically in the physics of waves and semi-classical mechanics, which means half quantum, half classical mechanics, how the waves interact with each other and how they encode information. And now we're using some advanced mathematical algorithms that are based on the mathematics of quantum physics to decode the brain activity. And the human brain has got about 100 billion neurons in it, and each neuron talks to about 10,000 neighbors, so we're talking about trillions of connections. And there's signals that are sent through these axons that end up on dendrites, and these signals that connect one neuron with another, they combine together, and they can be measured outside the head in a non-invasive way. And they create electric brain activity and also magnetic brain activity. And this electric and magnetic brain activity can be measured. We can put dozens of sensors or even hundreds of sensors in a thinking cap, basically, and some type of headgear to measure it. And then what comes out are very complicated brain activity patterns. But there's ways to use mathematics and software to interpret these patterns, to figure out which pattern corresponds to a movement of a finger or a thumb or a spoken word or a thought. And in this way we can figure out which brain activity patterns correspond to which muscle activity patterns, muscle activity movements, and which brain activity patterns correspond to our thoughts and our words that we speak and our intentions, because we want to be able to move a cursor around just by thought alone, and to be able to play video games and surf the internet and just by thought alone, just by thinking.